Welcome to Touring Globe. Join us as we explore the world's most beautiful places and share our travel adventures. Subscribe for tips, stories, and inspiration. 7 Wonders of the Ancient World. 1. Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Construction, built during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom of Egypt around 2560 BC. Size, originally 146.6 meters, 481 feet, tall, now 138.8 meters, 455 feet, due to the loss of the outer casing stones. Materials, constructed from approximately 2.3 million blocks of limestone and granite. Purpose, served as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, Cheops. Significance, it remained the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. 2. Hanging Gardens of Babylon, Iraq. Legend, said to be built by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife Amytis, who missed the green hills and valleys of her homeland. Description, consisted of tiered gardens containing a variety of trees, shrubs, and vines. Irrigation, ingenious irrigation system that brought water from the Euphrates River. Existence, debated among historians and archaeologists. No definitive archaeological evidence has been found. 3. Statue of Zeus at Olympia, Greece. Creator, sculpted by Phidias around 435 BC. Size, approximately 12 meters, 39 feet, tall. Materials, made of ivory and gold-plated bronze. Location, housed in the Temple of Zeus at Olympia. Destruction, destroyed in the 5th century AD by fire or earthquake. 4. Temple of Artemis at Ephesus, Turkey. Construction, completed around 550 BC and rebuilt after being destroyed in 356 BC. Size, 115 meters, 377 feet, long, 55 meters, 180 feet, wide, with 127 columns each 18 meters, 60 feet, high. Dedication, dedicated to Artemis, the Greek goddess of the hunt, wilderness, and childbirth. Destruction, destroyed by the Goths in 268 AD. 5. Mausoleum at Halicarnassus, Turkey. Construction, built between 353 and 350 BC for Mausolus, a satrap of the Persian Empire, and his wife Artemisia. Size, approximately 45 meters, 148 feet, high. Materials, made of white marble. Architectural influence, the term mausoleum became a generic term for any grand tomb. Destruction, destroyed by a series of earthquakes in the Middle Ages. 6. Colossus of Rhodes, Greece. Construction, built between 292 and 280 BC. Size, approximately 33 meters, 108 feet, high. Material, made of bronze and iron. Purpose, celebrated the successful defense of Rhodes against an attack by Cyprus in 305 BC. Destruction, toppled by an earthquake in 226 BC. 7. Lighthouse of Alexandria, Egypt. Construction, completed around 280 BC during the reign of Ptolemy II Philadelphus. Size, estimated to be between 100 and 130 meters, 330 and 430 feet, tall. Purpose, guided sailors safely into the busy harbor of Alexandria. Destruction, severely damaged by earthquakes between 956 and 1323 AD. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Touring Globe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.